What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. So in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to start a data reselling business. But before then, I want to let you know that I have a complete course in the description of this video. All you need is to click on that and then buy that course right now, and you're going to make money on that. So before then, let me take you straight to the things that you're going to learn from this course. So one, you're going to learn about how to set up your prices of doing your data reselling business, how to the things that you're going to face, how to get portals. I've listed a lot of portals over there that you can access and buy any of these data at affordable prices, and also have flyers added to it. This video, I have a full video that talks about that. I have the PDF or the file section where I can even update it each and every time that you want. Everything that you need to know about that. And you know what? I have a bonus tip for you guys because I love you. You know what I've added to it? I've even added how to create a free website for your data reselling business. You will not get this thing at anywhere for just 50 Ghana cedis. They are going to charge you about 200 cedis, 250 cedis for that. But I've showed you guys for this. I've showed you all these methods for just 50 Ghana cedis. So what you need to do is to go to the description of this video and purchase that course. And right after doing that, you can make money online doing data reselling business. I have everything that you need to know. I've covered everything that you need to know about data reselling business, how to win more customers, how to make money online each and every day with data reselling business. Everything that you need to know about data reselling business is being listed over there. The obstacles that you're going to face, how to sign up to portals, the portals that are very fast, everything that you need to know about data reselling business is being listed, and even how to win more customers, how to get more people to buy from you is being added over there. So what you need right now is to go to the description of this video. I have the link over there. Click on that and then it will take you to the dashboard. What you need to do is to purchase this course, as simple as that, and you're going to make money online over this data reselling business. If you have any question, do not forget to leave that in the comment section, and then I'll be there to help you out. Whatever you face, my number is on the platform. All you need is to visit my chat me or WhatsApp me, and I'm going to answer you all the things, all the questions that you're going to send to me into my DMs. I will answer you straightforward after receiving them. So everything is being covered in this course. All you need is to go over that and then buy or purchase this course, and you're going to make money online. See you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out. Let's get it.